Have you ever wondered about the invisible force that makes magnets stick together? It's like magic, but it's actually amazing science. Welcome to a journey into the fascinating world of magnetism. Every day we use magnets without even thinking about it, from the simple fridge magnets holding up your shopping list to the powerful magnets in your smartphones and computers. But what makes them stick together? Let's find out. At their most basic level, magnets are special materials that create an invisible field of force around them. Imagine throwing a handful of iron filings around a magnet. They form beautiful patterns showing us these invisible magnetic field lines. These lines of force are what give magnets their incredible pulling power. But here's where it gets really interesting. Every magnet has two ends called poles, a north pole and a south pole. It's like the magnet has its own tiny Earth with its own north and south. These poles are the key to understanding why magnets stick together. You might have played with magnets and noticed something curious. Sometimes they attract and sometimes they repel each other. That's because opposite poles attract, while similar poles repel. When you bring the north pole of one magnet near the south pole of another, they pull together like best friends meeting for a hug. But try to push two north poles or two south poles together and they push away from each other like stubborn siblings, refusing to share a room. But why does this happen? It's all about those magnetic fields we talked about earlier. When opposite poles meet, their magnetic fields align and work together, creating a strong attractive force. But when similar poles meet, their magnetic fields clash and push against each other. This is why you feel that invisible push when trying to force two similar poles together. The strength of a magnet's pull depends on several factors. The bigger and stronger the magnet, the stronger its magnetic field. Also, the closer two magnets are to each other, the stronger the force between them becomes. This is why a magnet might not stick to something until it's really close and then suddenly snap together with surprising force. In our modern world, we use this magnetic attraction in countless ways, from magnetic resonance imaging (MRI) machines in hospitals to the electric motors in our cars and even in the speakers that let you listen to music. Magnets are truly everywhere, making our lives easier and more interesting. Think about your refrigerator door. It stays closed thanks to magnetic strips that create a seal. Or consider how trains in some countries can float above their tracks using powerful magnets in a process called magnetic levitation. Even the Earth itself is one giant magnet, with its magnetic field protecting us from harmful radiation from space. The next time you play with magnets, remember you're experiencing one of nature's most remarkable forces. Whether they're sticking together or pushing apart, these fascinating objects demonstrate the incredible power of magnetic fields. It's not magic, it's science, and it's absolutely amazing. So keep exploring, keep questioning, and keep discovering the wonderful world of magnets around you.